Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a paragraph or expansion of idea on the popular proverb honesty is the best policy. First of all, wish you all a happy new year. May this year brings lots of success, happiness and prosperity in your lives. Let's get started with the video. Princes and lords are but the breath of kings. An honest man is the noblest work of God. Honesty is the best policy is an old saying. It lays down a code of conduct. Honesty means truthfulness. An honest man does not cheat anyone. He does not steal from anybody. Honesty also means uprightness. It is a priceless virtue. The proverb, honesty is the best policy, holds good at all times. Virtue is its own has been proved by the poor woodcutters, honesty and integrity. Since the woodcutter was honest in his statement and refused to accept the gold and the silver axe, the water goddess was pleased with him and rewarded him by giving him the gold and silver axes beside his own axe. An honest man enjoys the respect and confidence of good and sensible people. Success comes to him in the wake of respect and confidence. An honest person is incapable of making enemies. Honesty pays rich dividends.